let's take it up even further. Well, if I'm looking at this, I see 3 1/3 times 2 2/5. So when I draw my box, I know I have a whole number and a fraction, a whole number and a fraction. So I'm going to have a 2 by 2 box. So my whole number and my fraction, my whole number and my fraction. So now we keep going. And so I write it out. 3 times 2 gives me 6. Good so far. 2 times 1/3. Remember, 2 over 1 is what that's going to become, so we can just multiply across. Gives me 2/3. Then 3 over 1 times 2/5 gives me 6/5. And then 1/3 times 2/5 gives me 2/15. So I'm going to write my numbers down here bigger so you guys can see them. 6 plus 2/3 plus 6/5 plus 2/15 equals, very similar to before. I'm going to put my whole number to the side because it doesn't matter. That number is not going to change at all, so I'm just going to stick it to the side over here, just like we do when we're adding our other fractions. So now my new problem is 2/3 plus 6/5 plus 2/15. Now you have some options here. You could add these two together and then add on this one, which is what I'm going to do for this problem. You could just look at the 3 numbers and find the common denominator one time instead of 2. It just really depends on your preference. So if I'm comparing 3 and 5, I know 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10, 15. So I know that the common denominator between thirds and fifths is 15ths. So I'm going to have 2/3 equals some kind of 15th, and 6/5 equals some kind of 15th. So that'll be times 5, which will give me 10/15, times 3, which will give me 18/15. So now I bring my 6 down because he's just relaxing over here on the side for now. And I have 10/15 plus 18/15 plus 2/15. When I add all of that together, that is going to give me 30/15. And now I need to make that into simplified so they can both be divided by 3. So that would give me 10/5. And I know that 10/5 can be simplified again by 5. So then that's going to give me 2 over 1. So now I have 6 plus 2, which is answer 8. Alright, now it's your turn to try to set it up, work it out, and solve it.